Your dream lake life is waiting. Imagine waking up to 94 feet of pristine lake frontage, a sparkling brand new pool, and a peaceful pond with a fountain just steps from your door. And as the sun sets, gather around the cozy fire pit for unforgettable evenings under the stars. This home has that and more to offer. Step inside this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath retreat where oversized windows flood the open kitchen and living area with breathtaking lake views. The kitchen is warm and welcoming with an abundance of cabinetry and an island made for slow mornings and good coffee. The living room flows effortlessly outdoors because on days like these, you won't want to be anywhere else. 2 oversized 2-car garages, one with a workshop, one with attic storage, means there's room for every adventure this lifestyle has to offer. This is more than a home. This is a life well lived. Call Kim Stanley today and make it your very own.